Good morning, I'm Dan from Build to Explore, and we need to get ready for 24 Hours of Appalachia in Ohio. We're less than a month away, but we are not ready. So if you don't know what 24 Hours of Appalachia is, it is a 24-hour navigational rally that's run for charity. So we're donating money, and basically all the activity helps small town Appalachia, different scholarship funds and all that kind of stuff.
One of the key vulnerable areas on my 99 XJ is the fact that it doesn't have a factory gas tank skid. So today we're going to take care of that and fabricate our own heavy-duty plate steel gas tank skid that should be able to take the abuse. To start out, I'm getting the factory bumper out of the way so I can drop down the hitch receiver that I'm going to use as the foundation for this skid plate.
So now that that's off, we can safely weld and get this all figured out. So from measuring before, I know I need at least 8.5 inches. What this is at. See, my angles were a little off now that I'm down here on the ground because this corner doesn't quite terminate into that. Gotta recut this a bit. One thing I was worried about when I was in the Jeep was if these were parallel. They're not. They're out about 1/2 inch. So I'm glad I took the time to drop it. Otherwise, probably wouldn't have fit very well. The other thing, cardboard template is about too short. Add about 2.5. All right, it's the morning. Got the gas tank skid plate all welded up and painted late last night. So added drain holes and washout holes in each corner so that way it doesn't collect water and mud and all that good stuff. So not a whole lot of time for the paint to cure. I guess it's like 12 hours. So, and it's been nice and warm out. So we're gonna get this back in, get the bumper back on, load up all the spares, head over to Mike's garage, get it on the lift, install the diff covers, which are hopefully relatively dry as well. We're gonna be trying out lube lockers for the first time, hopefully slightly more reusable. And yeah, we are coming up on the end of this project, so let's get to it. All right, so here it is installed. Plenty of clearance, leaf springs, all that good stuff. Gotta get the exhaust hanger back on there. Film this. Let's see. Clearances are pretty good here.